Hello dear viewers, in today's video I will show you how can you defend yourself if the enemy attack you from your backside. So without letting, we are going to start right now. Let's get started. What will you do if the enemy touch your back and want to carry it? You have to defend yourself and just wait. How can you defend yourself? In this video I will show you in details. Just wait. You have to do two things if the enemy can touch your back. First of all, you have to block the enemy's hand like this. You have to block like me, and then you have to use the second technique, and that is you have to grip the enemy to the enemy's chest, and you have to kick the enemy's chest, and then you will be safe. After that you can do whatever you want to do with the enemy like this, and now you can think that you are safe from the enemy. You can attack the enemies afterwards, and now you are safe.